everyone! Welcome back again dito sa aking vlog for today. Today is a beautiful sunny day and it's of course is a bit chilly day. So mga kaibigan, I wanna show you all our poinsettias today. Let's get inside! So let's get started guys. Welcome greenhouse number 2. Tana! Hello! Wow!
We got pink in here, princess, white, couple of reds.
Couple of reds here in greenhouse number 2.
Yep.
So, and my husband, what do you want to say about poinsettias? Already or let us know?
Yes, they are.
They are.
The whites are ready, reds are ready. These, look, they're still expanding.
Wow.
The bract here is still expanding.
Yeah.
And there's the actual flower. It hasn't opened yet.
Oh, okay.
That's the actual flower.
That's the actual flower.
Yeah.
So
They're
in
so close.
poinsettias, what do you call them?
It's called a cyathea.
Okay, so yeah.
Yeah, and these are called bracts.
Bracts.
B-R-A-C-T-S, bracts.
Okay. And how about the white? Like this,
Same
what kind
thing.
of white is
Oh, here you go. See, look at the white. The flower's getting ready to open. See that?
Oh, yeah.
It's
So-
right on time.
Oh, gotcha. So what kind of white this year that we're
White star.
white stars? So
White
these
star.
are white star because last year we have a different
Last
white
year was a
concept.
horrible white.
Yeah.
This is a nice, strong, beautiful. Look at all the blooms on it.
Yeah,
I mean, when you put it on a table, look at
Yeah.
all the side blooms you got.
that's right. Oh yeah,
Yeah. Look at all the blooms on this one.
that's right. Yes.
Usually, poinsettias will have 5 or 6 blooms. I always have more than like 7 or more.
Wow. So this year is a beautiful year.
This is a very good year.
Yeah. Thank God. Yes. And we also have a temperature like checking all the time.
Yep.
They're
Yep. They like to be around 62 right now.
64 right. Okay.
Did you see our 4.5s yet?
Oh, the 4.5
They're
are beautiful.
gorgeous.
Yes,
They've got like 5 blooms on each plant.
yeah, it's amazing.
It is.
It is. Yeah, so I'm going there. I already see, but I want to show them also, okay?
Oh, okay.
All right, so excuse me, I'm going in. You want to
Yes.
come with me?
Not right now. I'm feeding these.
Oh, you're feeding. So thank you for your time and sharing about the poinsettias.
Oh,
and
you're welcome. Please remember to like and subscribe.
thank you. Like and subscribe.
Yeah, like and subscribe. Right?
Yes.
Or how do you all do that?
Heart shape, like heart. It's
Yeah,
like
whatever.
All right, so I'm going to greenhouse. Bye. So I'm going to greenhouse number 1. Dito tayo sa likod, guys. So here, wow! Look at the beauty here. Look at the colors. Oh, wow. Wow. So we have a princess here. We have red. These are 4.5, guys. So I'm going in and make sure. Oh, let's try because something is gonna fall here. Look how pretty. Wow. Wow. Thank you, Lord. Wow, look at the colors. It's really beautiful, guys. See? So these are 4.5 and they are really beautiful. Wow. So the side is white, princess, red, and few of pink here. And here. There's some pink. And the rest are in the hanging baskets. These are 6.5. So yeah, make sure he's fine here. Trying it to wow, it's beautiful, guys. Okay, and let's go to greenhouse number 3. I'm going to greenhouse number 3.
Pretty?
Yeah, really. It's the best.
I think so.
It's the best of the year.
I think so.
Yeah, so I'm going to greenhouse number 3 and 4. Okay, and then after that, I'll bring the puppy inside. Okay. So let's go, guys. Wow. It's a beautiful. They are beautiful. We're so happy and thankful for that. And I want to show you first Chucky and Lexi. Chucky, say hello. Hello to our bro. Hello to them. Hello, subscribers. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Chucky, Lexi. Or they're playing. Okay. So now let's go here. This is when we went there. This is the front. So I'll show it to you guys. Wow. Right? So yan siya mga kaibigan. So let's go to greenhouse number 3. Let's go lang muna ito, guys. Make sure they are okay. Greenhouse number 3 is the other way. So ganyan siya. So ganito yung surrounding namin, as in tahimik. So yan, greenhouse number 3. Taran! Welcome! Wow! Look at the beauty! Red! Red, red, red! Wow! Look how beautiful, mga kaibigan. And also white! This is the 6 and a half ata yan, mga kaibigan. So yeah, all the way white and red. Wow! And let's go to greenhouse number 4. Close ko na lang yan after. Here. Magkatabi lang naman sila, guys. So, wow! Hello, everyone! Wow! Wow! I have nothing to say, but it's all wow because they are all beautiful, mga kaibigan. Oh, wow! 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 So yan po mga kaibigan ang aming poinsettias. Yan po siya. So yan mga kaibigan, and here you go again. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe dito lang sa Home and Garden with Elizabeth. Bye for now. God bless everyone.